I wasn't working for a reward, I was just working.
And sometimes, that opens the door to something new. I spent my years in high school shop trying to master the fundamentals. My teacher tapped me on the shoulder one day and said, "Hey, I think this one's for you." Before that moment, I had never even heard of the Schulich Builders Scholarship. When I found out I got it, my jaw dropped. This $40,000 award became the green light I needed to go all in on my trade. Now, I'm in Mohawk College's Manufacturing Engineering Technician program, learning from instructors who know what the industry demands. I know I can meet those demands because I've already proved to myself that daily effort matters. You never know what you're truly capable of until you try. Choosing Mohawk College has put me onto this path. It gave me the skills and connections needed to create the future I want. This is hard work, but I show up every day to build a future that is truly mine. So, what are you building?